you know John Lloyd is your
Yes.
kasama sa Greenwich, di ba? What's your message? Very successful ang movie niya.
My message for JL and Bea Siguro is congratulations for Miss You Like Crazy. Isa ako sa nakarelate sa inyong storya sa pelikula. Especially yung mga linya ni Bea, yung ngayon ko pa babalik, tut, tut. And then even yung eksena ni JL, JL sobrang hands down ako sa'yo. Nakita mo ulit si Bea. Yung bago mo sabihin yung sikat ka raw. Galing mo doon! As in, super hagulgul ako. So congratulations and wishing you all the best with your career. Whatever chismis may be coming your way. In the end, you will still survive because you have such a blooming and blossoming career. So congratulations to you and your successful premiere night and showing of the movie kasi blockbuster na naman siya.
Do you think he's a perfect guy?